নমস্কার, অর্পিতা রয় আবার চলে এসেছি আপনাদের সামনে ফ্রম অর্পিতাস ভিভার গ্যালারি থেকে সল্ট লেক। সকলকে শুভ নববর্ষের আন্তরিক প্রীতি শুভেচ্ছা ভালোবাসা জানাচ্ছি। আশা করি আপনাদের সবার ভালো কেটেছে পয়লা বৈশাখ। আজকে আমি আপনাদের সামনে আবার এসেছি আমার 43 এপিসোড নিয়ে। আজকে আমি কটন শাড়ি দেখাবো, মানে যেটা হাতে বোনা শাড়ি আর ভীষণ সফট ক্রেপের মতো ফল। আমি কথাটা বলছি যেটা ক্রেপের মতো ফল। আঁচলগুলো মোস্টলি শাড়িতে আঁচলগুলো মটকা আছে। ওকে, দ্য পাল্লা হ্যাজ matka has been matka thread has been used in the palla, and the base is, I will show you the sari, wonderful sari, home wash sari. Don't dip the sari for a long time in the water, just dip it, wash it and spread it in the wire. So let's start my 43 episode. I think friends you will like this sari. This is a different type of khadi sarees, pure khadi sarees. I am showing different type of design. I think you will like it. Sari number 1, wonderful fabric, trust me, a wonderful sari. This is also, as Begumpuri said, the sarees I told you, wash it at home. You can wash this sari also at home. Wonderful sari, wonderful. This part is a matka has been used in the palla. Okay, and this is the whole body, a wonderful maroon color sari with a contrast border on both sides. The upper border is slightly purple and the lower border is bottle green and red. I'll ask my cameraman to show the border. This is a pure hand woven sari. Okay, in long run I don't think I will be able to give you these type of sarees. Okay, there is a very shortage of weaver, so try to purchase these sarees. After purchasing this, wearing this sari, you will be very happy what sari I have given to you. You will be very happy, trust me. This is a white colored sari with grey border on both sides. I have shown many sarees with black border. Look, this is the palla. Tussar has been used in the palla, and this is the border. In my previous episode I have told you, after look the edges of the sub border. This edge shows that this is a pure hand woven sari. And the base, I think I can make you understand. Look, there is a longitudinal design. It seems like dal stitch or run stitch, whatever you can say. This is pure hand woven sari. Wonderful piece. Wash it at home, wear it. After wearing this sari you will be very happy. I am so confident regarding this khadi sarees. Okay, this is the blouse piece of the sari. Very happy. This is a pure summer wear. Friends from South India, friends from North India, wear this sari, you will be very happy. And the price is, sorry, the sari number 1 was 2600, sari number 2 was 2600. This is also sari price 2600. Yes, 2600. Then look, the palla, there is a matka thread has been used in the palla. Okay, this is a home wash sari. Look at the border. This is the Jamdani work has been done. Look at the back part. Pure hand woven sari. Okay, and there is a longitudinal red border throughout the sari. Okay, this is the blouse piece. First let me show you the blouse piece. Firozi blue color, and this is the rest half of the sari. Sari number 3, and the price was 2600, sorry. Okay, now I am moving to sari number 4. Same sarees I have showing you. You will get lots of options. All are wonderful pieces. All. You can't say this is nice, much better. This is a little bit. This is much more better than this. You can't compare. All the sarees are very nice. All the colors. This is English tone color. A baby pink on the lower border and purple in the upper border. Purple and blue. purplish blue and কি কালার বলবো এটাকে peach, light peach. Also thread has been used in the saree. Okay, and this is the blouse piece. You can't compare the colors. All the colors are individually very nice. You will be confused which one to purchase. I'm so confident regarding these sarees. I'm confident. I was confident regarding my Begumpuri sarees. I'm very confident on regarding this sarees also. This is a pure hand woven saree. Wear this, you will be very, very happy. I know you will get confused which to buy. A bottle green palla. This is also same words I am telling. This is matka has been used in the palla. The upper border is goldenish yellow and the lower border is bottle green and the base is grey. All the sarees has a texture woven. I think friends you can be at uneven texture has been used. Okay, and this is the blouse piece. First show me the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, dark grey and the base is light grey. Okay, and this is the rest half. Saree number 5 and the price was 2600 and the price is saree number 6. Look, ikat style woven. Saree from West Bengal, a place called Fulia in a district in Nodia district in West Bengal. I think you know there is a place called Fulia famous for hand woven sarees. Okay, navy blue base with ikat design and pink border on the lower side and green border on the upper side, emerald green border on the upper side. Look at the border. I'll ask my cameraman to show the border. Fully hand woven saree, soft. When it is a hand woven saree, the border will be very soft. This is also a point to recognize whether it is a hand woven saree or machine made saree. Okay, and this is the blouse piece of the saree. এদিকে সরে আর না yeah, wonderful piece. Saree number 6 and the price is 2600. Saree number 7. Friends, please purchase the sarees to save our weavers, save me also in this pandemic situation. Save me and my shop, my weavers and my staff, all of us are are dependent on this wonderful weave. 6 meter 5.5 6.3 meter saree will save a lot of people. Okay, this is the palla part and this is the whole body. Look at the color. Ki color bolbo Radhana? It's a mint green. The base is mint green with a fluorescent green border on the upper side and a red border on the lower side. I'll ask my cameraman to show the design. Wonderfully woven. And this is the blouse piece. আপনারা একবার আমার থেকে পারচেজ করলে I know you will be a regular friend of my shop. I am very confident. Friends, those who are within Kolkata, please visit my shop. Feel the texture, buy it. I am shouting, but I can't. But you can't feel the fabric. I don't know whether I can make you understand. This is the palla part and this is the whole body. This is a maroon border with a green maroon base with white thread woven on throughout the saree, longitudinally woven, and this is the upper border with green and the lower border is red and beige. Okay, and this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the saree. Saree number 8 and the price is 2600. Saree number 9. Wonderful color. This is the palla part. The palla, this is also matka has been used in the palla, okay? All hand woven saris. The draperies, it will give you a crepe feeling. After wearing the sari, you will feel you are wearing a crepe sari. The fall is so good. And this is the blouse piece. I'll ask my cameraman to show the blouse piece. Look at the border, golden color border on the upper side and the green border on the lower side, and the base is dark slate. Okay, this was sari number 9 and the price was 2600. Sari number 10, but I told you to wash in home, but don't dip the sari for a long time. Don't do this. Handle the sari properly. Wash the sari at home. I am very confident nothing will happen. But don't dip the sari for a long time, okay? Dip the sari, wash it and strain it on the wire. Beige color, na? Chiku, light chiku with the peach on the upper border and red on the lower border. And this is the blouse piece of the sari. Okay, this is also priced 2600. Sari number 11. Lightweight, crepe like feel. Crushed hobe na, these sari won't get crushed. This is the palla part. Same what I am telling. Used matka thread has been used in the palla. This is a pink, very nice pink with baby pink border on the upper side, and lower border is dark navy blue. The palla part, and let me show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Sari number 11 and the price is 2600. Sari number 12. Sari number 12 is 3400. Same sari, same. The price is high only because a jamdani work has been done on the palla part. Look at the palla. I think you can understand. A jamdani work, hand jamdani has been done throughout the palla. Okay, that's why the price of this sari is 3400. Sari number 12. And the price is 3400 with upper border is green and the lower border is dark navy blue, and this is the blouse piece of the sari. Okay, this is sari number 12 and the price was 3400. Sari number 13. Price 3550. This is the palla, and this is the dark grey upper border and green, light green on the lower border, and look at the base, pure hand woven. So after dyeing the thread, this ikat style design has been done. That's the reason why the price of the sari is 3550. Okay. And this is the blouse piece. Sari number 14. I have shown all the mostly same designs with many options. I know you will get confused to select which to purchase. Red palla, green and white, and beige and green border, upper and lower border. Okay, and this is the blouse piece. Okay, sari number 14, and the price was 2600. A navy blue sari. Upper border is green and the lower border is pink. Matka thread has been used in the palla. Horizontally designed, longitudinally designed sari. Sorry. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Okay. This was sari number 15, and the price was 2600. Sari number 16, I have shown you one green and black, and this is one is red and black, a black and red border. Priced 3550. Very nice sari, very nice sari. And this is the blouse piece of the sari. Okay, sari number 16, and the price was 3550. Sari number 17. এই কালারটা মনে হয় দেখিয়েছি, রিপিট কালার দিলি নাকি? No, not repeat color. Grey with yellow and green border. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Okay, this was sari number 17, and the price was 2600. Sari number 18. Palla part, matka with matka woven palla. Sari number 18, and the price is 2750. Half part is plain white, and the lower half there is a brick like design, and this is the blouse piece of the sari. Price 2750. This is sari number 19. Same sari, just the color is different. This is also priced 2750 with red border. Wonderful piece. Protector, each and every part is hand woven. This is the blouse piece of the sari. 8 to 18, all friends can wear this sari. It's such a wonderful fabric. Sari number 20. Oh, wonderful. Navy blue with maroon. Palla is green. blouse piece is also green. Let me show the blouse piece also. This is the blouse piece, okay, and this is the saree. Pure, देखो पूरा hand jamdani has been done. Look, this is the back part of the saree. Very soft. This is the crepe mother fall. This is the saree. Okay. This is also priced 2600. Saree number 20. Saree number 21. I have lots of varieties in my shop. So what happens in every episode I try to show the same type of sarees that friends you feel comfortable to purchase. There's options. There's lots of color combination. That's the reason I show a similar type of saree in every episode, which helps you a lot to select the sarees. Look, maroon. I have shown one maroon. This is the second number maroon saree I have shown you, but the border is different. This is one type of border, and the first প্রথমে দেখেছি না, first year second saree, maroon side, that's border is different also, and this is the blouse piece of the saree. Okay, this was saree number 21 and the price was 2600. Now saree number 22. I will show 3 pieces regarding this design. This is the palla part. Pure hand woven saree. This design also done in hand. Okay, this is the blouse piece of the saree. Friends, I want to make you understand. Look at the saree. This is a pure cotton saree. Okay, just see. Crush, it won't get crushed also. Saree number 22 price was 3400. Saree number 23, this is also priced 3400. Pure cotton saree. The pallu resembles Naga design, one sort of Naga design. Look. Okay. Wonderful, wonderful. This is the blouse piece of the saree. খুব সুন্দর, মানে okay. Hats to my weaver, those who have woven this wonderful sarees. Saree number 24. Hats to them. The 6.5 meter saree which enhance our beauty. Please purchase these sarees to help me, my helping hands, my weavers. All of us are dependent on the 6.5 meter length saree. So try to purchase. From my part, I will give you the best thing. It's my duty, and your duty is to purchase the sarees. This is the saree which I am wearing. This is navy blue in color with red border, and I am showing one grey with maroon border. Okay, the price is 1950. This is the palla part. Grey base with maroon border on both sides, matha border. And this is the normal blouse piece. You can wear a maroon blouse. This is the blouse piece of the sari, and this is the rest half. This was sari number 21 and the 25, and the price was 1950. The same sari I am wearing, this is navy blue in color with red border. Look at the sari. Okay. Price is 1950. Friends, today I have finished my episode number 43. I have shown you 25 khadi saris. In my initial episode, I think it was 41, number 41 episode, that was a different type of khadi saris. Today I have shown you a different type of design khadi saris. Next time I will show you another designs. Begumpuri is also a khadi, pure hand woven khadi saris. So in every episode I try to show you 25 to 30 pieces of saris in same category weaving design. It will help you to choose the sari. I think there is a lots of options. So please purchase my saris. The friends, those who are outside of Kolkata, the sari which you are liking, please send me the screenshot. If you see any problem regarding the fabric, regarding the color, ask me. I will help you. Send me after receiving the money. I will dispatch the sari to you. And friends within Kolkata, please visit my shop. Shope ashun, eshe feel kore drape kore shari kinun. কারণ অনলাইন কিনলে কাছের বন্ধুরা তো এসে রিপ্লেস করতে পারেন। দ্য ফ্রেন্ডস আউটসাইড অফ কলকাতা কান ডু দ্যাট। তো আপনাদের যখন ইফ দ্য ফেসিলিটি উইচ ইউ আর হ্যাভিং উইথ দ্য ফ্রেন্ডস উইদিন কলকাতা, ট্রাইস টু ভিজিট মাই শপ। থ্যাংক ইউ আ লট।